Is AI going to take our jobs, or is AI going to help us create more jobs? Well, this is a question which is constant for people in workforces nowadays. But it seems like the CEOs and founders of big companies and establishment now think differently. It was Adam Berg's founder, Arindam Paul, who took on LinkedIn and spoke about how white-collar jobs are going to be hit by AI. About 40 to 50% of white-collar jobs, according to him, will be taken over by AI. You can look at his post that we'll show you right now. Under that, there's so many comments because people are worried. They are asking, they want to know, why does he think like that? What is the reason behind thinking that, AI is going to completely take over your workforce? The co-founder of Zoho a few days ago had a very similar point of view. He said that about 60 to 80% of work can be done by AI. It is very important to understand that India's workforce, a lot of India's workforce is derived by people working at call centers, people working in different sectors, creating codes, and all that can actually be done by AI. So is it actually a threat that is building up and we are not addressing to it? I don't think most people, including our leaders, still understand how big a threat AI could be to our economy. That's what Paul wrote. AI in a few years might take over a lot of workforces from the humans. Meanwhile, India's manufacturing force has really not taken off. Manufacturing in India has remained to a stagnant of 16 to 17% in the last 10 years. And with white-collar jobs looking to be taken over by AI, it could end up putting a lot of pressure on India's workforce, and this might have a ripple effect on other things. Wherein a lot of Indian CEOs and founders consider that AI might be taking over a lot of workforces. On the other side, we have Elon Musk, who has a completely different point of view. Well, watch out for this space, as I'll tell you all about it in our next video.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.